everybody, it is 7:52. Ben, I think, woke up at like 6:30 this morning. He comes in my room and I'm like, Ben, go back or go downstairs and watch TV. He's like, okay. So he went downstairs and then I fell back asleep and I think I woke up at like a little after 7 o'clock. And I'm like, actually I woke up at 5 o'clock this morning because I'm like, okay, Charlotte didn't wake up at all last night. Not one bit, not at all. I'm like, I am not used to this. So I had to make sure she was breathing. I get so paranoid when she doesn't wake up in the middle of the night. And we have a camera in her room, but I can't see her or hear her breathing very well. So I went back to sleep, and then, you know, Ben woke up at 6:30, and then I woke up a little after 7. Grandma's still in bed. But it is now 7:53. Charlotte woke up maybe about 10 minutes ago, so I'm like, sweet, good job, Charlotte. Ben, don't jump with her on the trampoline. She's just waking up, so she's a little cranky. But she actually likes that trampoline. She was like bouncing on it. She's just like, with her knees, she's like, it's so cute. I should try to catch her on camera. But I don't know, the sun's out today, so that means with the sun being out, I'm gonna try to be a little bit more productive. We're gonna maybe go for a walk today or something. I think we just need to go for a walk. So we might do that at the Lost Cause.
Charlotte gets on the trampoline, Charlotte gets on the couch.
Yeah, she knows how to crawl on the couch now. She thinks it's funny. She thinks it's funny. But other than that, I hope to have somewhat a productive day. I'm really gonna start working on her high chair thing, and then I might start putting some decorations up. There's like one thing that I want to do, and so I'm not sure what I'm gonna exactly do. I want to just start decorating up, you know, so we're gonna do that. But I really want to do the most decorating on Friday just because I want it to be bam. But yeah, so I'm working on the Walgreens ad preview right now, then I'm gonna do the coupon preview. Yeah, so I'm just tired. I'm not as drained as I was yesterday. I don't know what was going on, but there is that. I'm gonna stop. I gotta stop saying there's that, but I keep saying it. So I'm gonna continue finishing what I'm doing, and I'll catch everybody. So it is 12:15. Charlotte is sleeping. She's been sleeping maybe for, I don't know, like an hour and a half. I started up a Zoom account because what we're gonna do is for Charlotte's birthday, I'm gonna have my mom, Graham's parents, and then my brothers and Graham's brother and sister-in-law, see if we can all get on, and then if there's any friends of ours that want to do Zoom with Charlotte. But I was thinking everybody could go on Zoom and wish her a happy birthday. So when we are doing the whole cake thing, I'm gonna have my laptop right next to her and recording, so we can record everybody singing happy birthday to her so she can look back at this. I think this is gonna be a cool little memory. And then I'm gonna make like a little video for her later on, but I think that'd be kind of cool. Not just that she's not gonna be there, or I'm not gonna be recording like the whole thing on Zoom. I just want to do the birthday thing and her eating her cake, because that's what, you know, is the best thing of it all. Charlotte, or Paris, is just chilling. You getting a tan, honey? You getting a tan? Oh, Paris, my little baby girl. Yes, so that is that. What I'm gonna do right now is, I know this, when the sun is out, I actually have a ton of energy. I'm actually wearing like workout clothes today. I got some like pants on, and then I actually got like a sports top on. I kind of want to do some hula hooping today, just to get something doing that. So I might do that for Charlotte's second nap, is hula hooping. But right now I'm going to start clearing off the countertop, empty the dishwasher, clearing off the kitchen table. I've just been kind of slacking lately, and it's just because of my attitude. But right now I'm going to start cleaning up. I'm going to see what I can do. Like, it's 12:17. I want to see what I can do until it's 12:45. But I'm going to show you guys my countertop, because that's just how bad it always is. But this isn't that bad. I'm just going to clean that part up. Just hold on, honey. I'll get you some milk. And then this is my kitchen. I just got to empty the dishwasher, put the dishes in, put this stuff away. I'm going to make banana bread sometime soon and put that stuff away. So this I'm not touching. Graham touches a cast iron. He says not to wash it with soap. Okay, you can do it. You can do it. One thing that I've been doing that is kind of cool is I have hand towels that are always hanging on my now my dishwasher has a handle because we got a new dishwasher, but I always hang them on my stove and they always fall off. So what I ended up doing is I took a shower hook, or ring or whatever, and I actually wrapped it around. So when I dry my hands off, I don't have to worry about that stupid towel coming off. I know it's a weird thing, but that's what I'm gonna do. Alexa is gonna play some music for me.
Sorry, I don't know that.
Well, you're dumb, Alexa. But yeah, I'm gonna play some music, just chill, and get some bunch of stuff cleaned up. So let's see how well I can do. Hey you guys, so it is 3:50. I was on the phone with my mom for a bit, and then I was playing with the kids. Ben's been jumping on that trampoline for a while. I cleaned up the countertop. I got the dishes emptied. I still need to eat something. I keep forgetting to eat something. I haven't eaten anything since, I don't know, I had oatmeal. That's all I've had today. Oh, and I had 4 Oreo cookies. That's all I've eaten today. But yeah, and Ben had some Oreos too. But yeah, it is 3:51. I just kind of put Charlotte down for a nap. She's not crying. I gave her a bottle to sleep with because we're getting rid of her bottles in less than a week. So I gave her a bottle to see if she'll probably fall asleep with that. I should check on her on my phone. But other than that, I'm going to have a snack to eat real quick. I'm going to have leftover. I got leftover that I got to eat up before it goes bad. But otherwise, I'm just kind of having just another relaxing day. I mean, I am getting some stuff done. I've been picking up things here and there. I got to take the garbages outside. I filled up 2 garbage bags. Just one of my regular garbage, and then I emptied all the Graham's and I's office garbage, and then everything that Charlotte keeps taking out of the drawers. So I keep playing with my hair. I don't know why. But yeah, so I am gonna just, you know, my foot hurts. I want to go out for a walk. I really do. It's really nice weather outside, but it really hurts for me to walk on my heel. I've been walking kind of on my tippy toe on that foot, and it's like I should go for a walk, but it's like my foot just is really killing me, and I know I should do something, but it's like, I don't know. But I did talk to my brother. I talked to him for like an hour. My other brother, I rarely ever talk to.
To your butt?
I was talking to my brother, Uncle Brandon.
Why are you tying to your butt?
Oh, but I was talking to my brother for like an hour. We were just complaining, you know. He's like, well, because I asked him if he wanted to do, you know, Zoom for Charlotte's birthday, and he said yes, they'll try to do it. So I have to figure out how it works before I send everybody a link, but I'm pretty excited for that. I have to go downstairs and find my backdrop that I used to have on my videos. I was thinking of actually putting a tablecloth for the background, and I was going to be decorating up the background and everything, and then I got some balloons that I got to start blowing up, but I need to get that out. I was thinking of just putting it right here. I have like a plastic mat to put down. I don't know what I'm going to exactly do, but I think I might just set up here because this is the most emptiest spot that I have. In case while I'm setting, or I could put it up in front of my island, but then I feel like we might be tripping over it. I don't know what I want to do. So I'm going to try to figure out where I'm going to put that. I should just go downstairs and see if I can find all the parts and get it all ready to go. Then I got tablecloths, I got streamers, I got balloons. Yeah, I'm ready to set up for Miss Charlotte's birthday. Well, hello, you guys. I have been very not active all day today, and I am loving it. I don't know what it is. I just don't want to do a lot of stuff. Last week I did a ton of stuff. This week I'm just like, nah. I think it's because they gave us more bad news this week, and so it's just like there's really nothing to look forward to. But I went downstairs to try to find some of my backdrop that I had, and I have to have scram where one part is. I don't know why I do this with my hairbrush or my ponytail, but I just need one more part to find for my backdrop, and then I can start setting up for Charlotte's like tablecloth area. So I gotta get that started out. I'm gonna see if Graham can help me when he gets home. It is 8:11. Both kids are awake.
I'm carrying chocolate eggs and mosquitoes are getting me.
Yeah, Ben's so scared of mosquitoes right now, but he was outside. Now he's inside. He's coloring on the windows. Miss Charlotte decides.
I'm coloring chocolate sign, then I color.
Ben, I don't want her crawling on that. Get her off. Get her off, please. She keeps crawling up on the furniture. Move that chair completely, Ben. I don't want her crawling on that. She just keeps crawling on everything. It's just like, Charlotte, you little tink butt. And she's just gonna go right back at it again. Ben, move that chair, please.
No.
Then I'll get up and do it. And then it won't be there.
Oh.
Okay, there she goes all over again. But it's 8:12. It's starting to get dark out. We ordered a pizza. I got it delivered because Graham took, and Ben got breadsticks.
I hate it. It chomped it down.
I haven't gotten delivery in a very long time, and I'm like, you know what? I just want to order something. And Charlotte had some pizza, Ben had some breadsticks. He's not a pizza person, and I'm like, you're weird, kid. My eyes look really red.
Do you think I'm weird, kid?
You're a weird kid.
I'm a fear kid.
You're a fear kid? Yeah, I'm watching, I just finally finished One Fine Day. I've been watching that for what, the last 3 or 4 days. And then I got the movie Ever After to watch, and then after that I can return some movies at the library. So I'm hoping to have I'm probably watch Ever After starting it tonight. And then
have money.
I don't have any money.
You have to buy money because I bought the case.
You what?
I bought the case. I'm not a case where I...
Oh, you're fine. It's fine. You're okay.
You fixed it?
Yeah.
I'm trying to see that it's broken.
But yeah, the kids are both up, but I'm not gonna get them ready for at least another like 15 to 30 minutes.
So how did you get there? You're following me.
They're not showing any sign of sleeping, so Graham works early tomorrow, so that'll be fun. We get to have early tomorrow. I gotta pick up some more stuff again. Ben has his box of markers on the floor. Pick that up. There's some totes on the floor that I'm gonna stack up. Charlotte's water bottles, but not much. We're actually been keeping this. There's some markers right there, and there's some markers over there, Kim. Thank you. But Ben's been doing such a good job on helping me, and I've been really getting, the toys have been not stressful at all because they're all packed up, organized, and everything. So like I'm real, there's 2 markers right there. There's one right there, kid. But yeah, the toys haven't been bothering me at all, you guys. Like, I think we've gone like 2 weeks without being super stressed out with toys?
Yeah.
Yeah. So the toys have been doing super good. I think it's because everything's packed up and organized.
I was doing that, putting toys in it. Remember one time ago
You just did that like 30 minutes ago, kid.
Yeah.
He has this tunnel and he's putting toys down the tunnel, but that only...
I call it garbage chute.
Oh, garbage chute. But yeah, so I'm gonna get the kids ready for bed. Again, I did not have a productive day, and that is okay. Because you know what? I don't know when there's the light of the end of the tunnel with this thing going on. There's some video that people have been posting on Facebook that they posted on YouTube. Well, YouTube took it off, and then I saw the video. It's actually interesting. I'm not saying I believe it or I don't believe it, but it is a very interesting video. But yes. But I don't know. I'm just having a nice week, relaxing. We've been playing with the kids. We've been wrestling. We've been we've been wrestling. Well, we haven't been drawing on the wall. We've been drawing on the windows. We've been playing, Ben and I have been playing a game together. We played wrestling.
Oh yeah, we did.
We wrestled, but...
Mom told me to do hematoma. It hurts me on my hematoma. Hematoma after Mom downloaded that video.
So, from me falling down the stairs, a month ago, you guys, my back is finally a lot better. I still have a little tight,
Mom has a hole in her sock.
I have a hole in my sock that I need to throw away. But yeah, I still have a bump. It's called a hematoma. It's not as big as what it was. Before I could cup it in my whole hand. Now it's just like, it's very flat. Like my hand is...
big bruises on her back.
If my hand was flat, it just fits in the palm of my hand. But it does hurt when I put pressure on it. It basically feels like it's a balloon ready to pop when I put pressure on it. But my back is finally feeling better. My foot hurts just a little bit, but I know what a heel spur feels like, and this is not a heel spur. This just feels like a sprain because it's on the outside of my heel. Before it was like the tip of, or the actual heel part. This is the outside, so it's kind of weird. But Charlotte and Benjamin are playing. But I'm going to stop boring you guys, and I'm going to start getting these kids ready for bed. I am extremely thirsty. Oh, Benjamin. Tell her you're sorry.
Sorry, Charlotte.
Sorry, Charlotte. But yeah, I'm going to go to bed, or I'm going to get rid of the kids for bed. Hopefully we'll have a better productive day. But I did get some stuff done. I did clean some stuff, so I do feel like I got some stuff productive. My kids and Miss Paris are being all silly, so see you guys later. Bye!